the W402ZF is made from a rugged, matte black anodized aluminum housing. This gives it great durability while keeping weight to a minimum. This light is built to last. Made from hard anodized aluminum, it can withstand all of the rigors your hunting trips can throw at it. Do not try this at home with your light. Any replication of these tests or any like it with your light will void all warranties.
Well, folks, we're going to have to turn the film off, review the camera so we can find our light. It got blown up in the air way, way higher than we expected. There's one piece of it. So it actually didn't blow it up. Separated at the threads. Oh my goodness. Things screw right back together. Oh my God. Took the equivalent of about 10 sticks of dynamite. The LED is actually broken, but when we get back to the truck, we're going to stick a new LED in it and see if it still works. It made it. Bent the heck out of it. Light. Oh my gosh. It still works. Holy mackerel. Little, the glass of course is blown out.
Do not try this at home with your light. Any replication of these tests or any like it with your light will void all warranties. Our lights aren't explosion proof, but they are pretty darn tough.